Hey guys, it's Arielle. Welcome back to my channel. I know I look crazy. I have no makeup on right now because I want to do a first impression and also a full review on some of the products that I'm receiving from Beauteque.com. As you know, in my channel, the previous months, I have been doing unboxings, and I know some of you guys were commenting that you guys want to see some full reviews of me testing out the products and first impressions. So I'm actually able to do that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off with January's box and move into February. For January, it came a little bit late, as you can tell, since it's already February. I'm just going to review a few products that came in the box that stood out to me that I actually tested prior to this video. And then for the month of February, I'll go through everything with you and then kind of see which ones we can test out together. So if you are interested in this video, keep on watching. So for those who are not familiar with Beauteque.com or Beauteque Monthly, it's basically a website that specializes in subscription boxes. They also sell these products full size on their website. But what's really nice about a subscription box is that each month you're sent, depending on the box you subscribe to, they have the BB bag and the Mask Maven. BB bag basically revolves around full-size products from body care, skin care, hair care, and so much more. And you're able to test out 5 to 6 full-size products there. And then you have the Mask Maven, which solely focuses on face sheet masks or sheet masks, and they range from different types, from different needs like dry skin, oily skin. You'll get hydrating masks, things to help with your sebum, and all of that. So that's a really great one. As you know, the Asian community of products, there's just so many in the market. So if you're very new to it or you're just not sure which ones you want to try out and you don't want to pay a lot, I really would recommend to go the subscription way. So when you get the BB box, they come in this beautiful box. It says BB by Beauteque. I know it's upside down, it's already open, I don't want to close it. But anyways, when you open it, you will see like full-size products, and I've actually tested a few of these products already since I had it. And the first one is going to be the Keratin Silk Protein Hair Glaze. I've been using this for about 3 weeks now, and I do notice that my hair feels a lot softer, and I just feel like it's helping with like the dryness and just bringing back moisture into my hair. So I've been really liking this. How to use this is basically using it after you shower, let your hair dry a little bit and just keep it a little damp, and then apply a little bit of this from the root of your hair to the ends, and you can just style whatever way you want, and it just makes my hair feel really soft. So I've been really liking this. The next thing we have is from Farmstay. It's the Charcoal Blackhead Peel Off Mask Nose Pack. I actually used this a few times already. The first time I tried it, I'm going to insert the clip right now. All you have to do is basically just apply a little bit of amount all over your nose area or wherever your pores tend to be at from the nose, and sometimes to me it reaches a little bit towards my cheek area, so I will apply it there. And then you wait about 15 to 20 minutes depending on how long it'll take to actually harden, and then you can peel it off. And then what I noticed that it really got a lot of the white and blackheads off of my nose area, so I feel like it does a really great job, and it's very easy to use. The next thing is this really cute Octopus Facial Scrub Massage Scrub. I honestly don't really use these types of products for my cleansing of the skin. I actually like to use my hands and massage my cleanser in, but I gave this guy a shot and it was really easy to use. What it is that there's a sponge in the bottom of the Octopus, and you're supposed to put in your cleanser onto the sponge, and then you can squeeze the Octopus, and then your cleanser will come out of the top part, and then you can just use this to massage your cleanser into your skin. I use it, it's not too bad, but for me, I could totally live without it. But if you need something to kind of like just stimulate your cells in your face and just kind of get a better cleanse, you can definitely test this out. The next thing in there was going to be a hand care pack, and this is a moisturizing gloves. I did not test this out yet. I think I want to try it, but I think I want to do a full review on it because I've never tried anything like this, so that's why I'm going to save this for another video. And then the last thing in here is the Candy Crush Cleansers. I didn't really do a full review on this because I've actually tested this out before. I have it right here, and this is from, is it May Island? And they're very, very much similar, except this is much cheaper in terms of price, and you get a lot more, and the balls are a lot bigger. That sounded really weird. Let's just call them cleansing beans. I'm going to compare the size with you guys because May Island sells them for almost, I think, $18. And this retails for almost like $7.99. But then if you get them in the box, you're not really paying much for them. So let me show you the difference in size. This is May Island's. As you can see, it's like very small. And then this is the Candy Crush ones, or I think it's called Candy, what is this called? Crush, Candy Lady, Candy Old Lady. Wow, I was off. But as you can see, there's a size difference. This is $7.99 in a box. This is like $18. And they're very much the same because these magical beans, that's what we're gonna call them. Magical beans come in like different colors. As you can see, there's like a blue one, green, pink, and purple, and then this one comes with like the purple, white, pink, and like kind of like a yellow green. And each of the colors have different purposes. Like the purple one is for brightening, and then the other ones are like for more hydration, for the pores, and so much more. So it's really cool. What you do is you crush these beans into underwater, and then it becomes a cleanser. So it's really nice to have, especially if you like to travel, so you don't have to worry about liquids. They're very like easy to pack, so they're very cool. I feel like they remove makeup really well as well. So that's what you get in January's box. I just wanted to quickly go through some of my reviews on the products. But anyways, for the Mask Maven for January, we got a lot of variety. I've tested out a few already. Some from the NOHJ. You can actually check out my Instagram _Hey Arielle. I tested out the aloe vera version of this, which also came in the set, and it is just a phenomenal mask if you need hydration. And the print was so cute. I will insert a picture of me masking. It has this really nice gold lace floral print, which I thought was so fitting for Chinese New Year, so I actually used it on Chinese New Year. And then you get like a pomegranate mask, you get some more for hydration. You also get this Hit the Black, Feel the Black mask. I am excited for this. It's a charcoal, premium charcoal mask. I need charcoal mask to just kind of get rid of all the dirt in my skin. And this is kind of new, I've never seen. It's like a vitamin water type of a mask. That was really cool. And they just had a lot of nice glowing, brightening types of mask in this set. And then I saw this one, which I love any hydrogel mask for my under eyes, just because, you know, sometimes I don't get enough sleep, so I need that extra brightening under there and hydration. So as you know, this area of your face just doesn't get that much moisture. So I'm excited to test this out. So these are all the masks you get. You get about 10 full-size masks to try out. So that's pretty cool. So we'll start off with the BB box. The first thing I see here is going to be a green tea sea salt body scrub. This is from Eliza Becca Milky Piggy. I never know how to say her name, but she's also the one that came out with a carbonated mask. So that's really cool. I can't wait to try this. This is a body scrub and it has salt, green tea salt. So this should be really good. The next thing here I see is going to be the My Honey. Oh, it's from My Honey, and they're basically just little beauty blenders, so I always need them. I'm gonna test this out. I'm sure these will do great. And then you also get this mask, and it's from A by BOM, Balm. I'm not sure how to say it. It's a two-step mask. It's a face sheet mask. And I actually saw a few people on Instagram test this out already. It is a very cute mask. It has like flower petals in it, so that's really cool. I will probably do a review on this again or something because I think this is interesting. I feel like it's too short in this video to like really feature this. The next thing we have here is from Candy, the same lady who made this, or the same brand that made this. It's going to be their peel off charcoal mask. I love anything charcoal, so I'm excited to try this. This is super cute. The next thing comes, it's a Rosy Lip Lip Balm, and it comes in this beautiful rose, if you can see that. And you lift it up, and there is your little lipstick. That is just super cute. You know, let's test this out and see, like, pigmentation wise. Let's see how nice it is. Oh wow, that's like very pigmented. Ah. Oh, it smells like a rose too. It's so soft. Like it's like butter on the lips. Wow, that's like really pretty. It's actually very pigmented and it feels so comfortable on the lips. I like it. This is super cute. Now we can move on to February's Mask Maven, and it contains the same amount as the January. These ones are super cute because it's February, so the theme was chocolate or like kind of like candies for Valentine's. So the first thing I see is the Vitamin C Vitamin Water Mask, as you saw this in January too. So I'm really excited to try these ones out. You also have a hyaluronic acid, You also have the Hyaluronic Solution 80 face wrapping. This is a dual matrix sheet. It's wrapping in it's a cellulose sheet, so you know it's like a gel type sheet. So this is interesting. That's very hydrating. And then, oh, these are super cute. You get 3 of them, and they're from the same brand. It's the Candy Old Lady. This is going to be a Mystic Potion candy mask, a Mellow Cotton candy mask, and a Cake Pop one. That is super cute. Look at the packaging, and I just like really can't wait to try these out. You get a rose mask. As you know, Valentine's Day is all about the rose. You get Annie's Ways Ginkgo Seaweed Eye Wrinkle Eye Mask. That's fun. Oh my gosh. And I think it's supposed to look like, oh, this is super cute. It's going to look like the mask that you wear for like the masquerades. That's super cute. And then one more floral mask, and this is the Cotton Sheet Mask that's revitalizing. Very nice. The packaging for these masks are so nice. But anyways, as you can see, for every month that you get a subscription box, there's so many varieties of products you can test out, and they're just such great value for what you get. That wraps up all of the boxes from January and February. I hope you guys enjoyed this mini unboxing slash little bit of a review. Unfortunately, I wanted to do more first impressions with you guys, but the products that I received this month, a lot of them you had to either apply eyeshadow with, like that primer, or a lot of them also were like the actual sheet masks, which take a long time, and I feel like to get a full first impression, it'll be kind of hard to do it with those types of products. And hopefully the next few boxes that I receive have more makeup based products so we can just test it out on the spot. But I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Leave a comment down below if there are products that I mentioned that you want to see a more full review of. I will be gladly happy to make a review for you. And also give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel if you are new, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Love you guys.